Hello guys, kumusta kayo? Hope na okay lang kayo. And today I want to share to you the result of my trade. Ngayong araw nag-trade po tayo sa EUR/JPY tsaka sa GBP/USD. Ipapakita ko sa inyo paano po natin nakuha. And yeah, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Hello guys, good evening. Dito tayo sa chart ng EUR/JPY. So titignan natin paano po ako nag-entry tsaka paano yung entry tsaka exit natin. So as you can see, this is in 15-minute time frame, but if we will go out, check muna dun sa higher time frame, the daily time frame, yung price natin sa EUR/JPY is going up, no? So ibig sabihin the price is still pushing upward, the buyers are still in control. So yeah, sasabayin lang natin kung saan papunta yung price. So if you are looking that the price is in uptrend, you are looking for buy opportunities. So remember, you look for a higher time frame for your direction, but for confirmation and entry, always look for a lower time frame or intraday time frame, like 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and so on and so forth. But for me, hindi na ako bababa siguro ng 1 minute. Titignan na ako sa 5, pero execution ko 15, 30, and 1 hour. Okay. So this is my trading idea with EUR/JPY. Meron po akong tatlong trade na simula kagabi. Nag-hold po ako kagabi dito, unang trade ko. So meron po tayo ditong demand area. So as you can see. So pinipigilan yung price, nag-consolidate, nag-react dito. Tapos yung price naman is meron tayong support dito, yan, no? Ayan. Sa support level. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, yeah, hindi siya nag-breakout dito. Okay, so kung bababa tayo ng 15 minute, meron tayong nakitang delete mo natin to. Okay, sorry. Para hindi magulo. Okay, bababa tayo ng 15. Yan. So, makikita nyo. Okay, meron tayong pin bar dito, pero invalid siya na pin bar, pero it's a sign of weakness. So I take a trade here aggressively. It's because of a demand area of this support level right here. So nag-trade ako dyan dito, then nag-risk ako ng 20 pips to get 40 pips. So basically it's 1:2 risk reward. So overnight I held it, and nag-positive swap siya, and mga umaga nagkita tayo, no, just nag-close ako manually, and yeah, so nakita niyo naman, no, nag-spike lang tapos biglang bumagsak. Nung nag-react siya dito, was able to predict na baka mag-retrace because of this resistance. So yan, nung nag-react siya dito, nag-buy ulit ako dito, and having this risk reward of 1:2, risking 33 pips just below this low. And yeah, because today is Thursday, so tingin ko lilipad na sa EUR/JPY bago mag-close yung market bukas. Pero yan, bumagsak yung price na naman, yung SL natin, nag-spike lang. Then yeah, right away I was aggressively buy this order because so 1 minute may gap to and I believe for the market to be balanced, the price must fill the gap. So nag-buy ulit ako dito ng mga 20 lots yata. Tapos yeah, biglang nag-spike yung price, ako ng 15 pips just below this week dito. Okay, baba na low, mga 15 pips stop loss, and yan, nag-TP ako ng mga 40 pips. Yeah, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, no? Yung kumita tayo ng mga almost magkano din, nasa mga $4,000 kasama na yung loss na PNL. Okay, so ito yung trading ideas sa JPY. Dito naman tayo sa GBP USD. Yan, tingin tayo sa GBP USD. Okay. Sa GBP USD, makita nyo naman, dito tayo sa daily time frame. So as you can see, the price from moving on the downside, it changed already the structure from bearish to bullish by breaking this level. So as you can see, nasa bullish momentum na tayo on a daily time frame. Kung maglagay tayo ng structure dito, so nag-create siya ng higher high, higher low. Ayan, low, higher low, yan, and higher low. Okay, so basically the price nag-create siya ng range ngayon dito, and meron tayong level dito of resistance, and they're targeting na ma-hit yan because meron tayong order block dito, and daily order block. Ayan, so expecting the price to go up pa. So on the daily time frame, we are expecting that the price will go up. Okay, yan, on the upside, and hit this daily order block. But if you will go on the lower time frame, okay, trade lang tayo kanina, pasungkit-sungkit lang ng ilang pips kasi nga nag-range yung market, and mahirap na mag-gold na matagal pa nag-range yung market simula pa kahapon, no? Ayan, no? So the market is ranging. At pa tayo nag-trade kanina, no? Okay, so yeah, maglagay tayo ng trend line dito. Okay, sa 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame, no? So nag-range yung market kahapon, lumipad kagabi, bumagsak. Okay, binabalikan lang yung highs and lows. Pero as you can see kanina, kasi may news tayo, no, sa GBP, biglang bumagsak yan. Di ngayon biglang umangat siya dito. So it's a sign of a strength of buyers dito, itong week na to, no? Yan yung week na yan. So sabi ko, maybe I want just to get 20 pips lang, or maybe 10 to 20 pips, no? Or maybe I just have a 1:1 risk reward ratio. Okay, just for me to be safe. So meron na akong buffer na nakuha sa Euro JPY, di ba? So sabi ko, I'm willing to risk maybe 2%, okay, of my capital, because it's only a profit. And yeah, I open up trade here after this candle form. Okay, I think it's a 10 pips stop loss and 10 pips TP only. Yan. Okay, tapos baba tayo ng lower time frame, tignan natin. Okay, okay, ito yung trade ko kanina. Okay, just basing on the 1 hour of my entry. Okay, bigla siya, bumaba pa siya. Okay, 5 minutes tayo para medyo kita talaga, no? Okay, nung nag-try siya dito, nag-entry ako dito sa lower time frame, no? Tumaas, nag-positive, tapos bumaba siya, nag-drawdown siya, no? Nag-drawdown pa siya ng mga 4 pips, okay? Then biglang lumipad na lang, okay? And maybe I get 10 to 11 pips almost, okay? So yeah, I was able to hit profit probably 1.8 or 2k USD for this trade. Pakita ko na lang po sa video. Okay, yeah, ito. Tingnan natin. Ito yung profit ko. So total sa Euro JPY and GBP USD, today I was able to profit 6,451. Okay, so ito po ay firm account, and yeah, samahan niyo po ako sa journey ko, and update ko po kayo sa magiging susunod na trade natin. Kita-kits and God bless.